Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat. And we are
the Drug Queens!
Together, we make videos na local, na drugstore, and affordable.
And speaking of local products, meron tayong bagong series, girl. The name of the series is Gandang, Lokal with the Nude.
Sa madaling salita, ang series nito ay dinededicate namin sa lahat ng local brands out there and proudly made in the Philippines. Ito ay yung first episode namin at ang local brand na napili namin is Krave Minerale!
So, kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano ang Krave Minerale, ano yung kanilang products na ino-offer, then please keep on watching. So, yung Krave Minerale, katulad ng sinabi namin sa dati naming video, ang Krave Minerale is a local brand in the Philippines, okay? And their aim is that to give back and provide jobs to our brothers and sisters in Cabanatuan. So, not only they make organic and natural products, but also they give jobs to us din, tayong mga kababayan.
Now na na-explain na namin kung sino si Krave Minerale, let's jump into the products. And ang first product na ating i-feature today is ang kanilang color correcting pies.
Okay, dun sa loob ng pie, meron kang color ng brown. Actually, it's like a flesh. Yun nandito. Meron tayong violet and yellow.
So, meron tayong violet here, which you can use for yung mga yellowish tones. And then, this color yellow, pwede siya sa under eyes. And also, itong orange. Ayun. Pero nagtataka rin kami, actually, bakit walang green.
At nakakapagtaka, bakit may dark brown?
So, try na natin siya.
And to try naman natin is yung kanilang BB Matte. Isa lang yung binigay nilang foundation. So, nag-aalangan kami. Check muna namin kung
babagay siya for both of our skin tones.
yes.
So, while Pat is checking kung sakto sa kanyang skin tone, ang kanilang BB Matte na BB cream ay non-greasy yung formula nila. So, pwede daw siya for oily skin. And sabi rin nila, matte finish daw to at in 5 seconds daw, ma-absorb na daw agad ng skin mo. Let us try.
So, ito-try na namin siya. Dahil okay sa akin, we'll see if okay ba talaga siya. Mukhang hindi maputi. You can see my neck and this one. And magka-color siya. Pero, hindi kami magka-color ni Kat. Kaso, nung nilalagay ko na siya, kailangan mong i-spread out agad kasi nga,
Mabilis nga talaga siya ma-absorb.
mabilis siyang ma-absorb talaga. Pero yung coverage itself, parang light lang. Sobrang kailangan pa namin i-blend ni Kat para hindi ganun kakita yung correctors.
Pero it blended with the correctors naman. Yung pinaka na-notice namin is yung amoy. Pero okay yung amoy. Mabango naman. Parang pulbo-ish
Oh,
na.
parang ganon.
Parang ganon.
Rosy, something like that. Ganyan.
Sa finish niya, medj powder naman.
Dahil meron pa tayo isang product to try, which is the main product in this video. Tapusin lang namin yung base namin and then we'll be right back. Ay, ayun na. Ang puputi. Nag-bake pa. BB cream lang. Oh, alright. So, ito na yung main talaga na product na need natin talagang usisain.
Okay.
No? Kasi, mukhang promising talaga eh. Ang ganda, girl.
Magkano ba yan?
500 lang.
Ano ba yan?
Ito yung kanilang Krave Minerale Nude Cakes Eyeshadow.
Wow!
Tanong mo lang shades.
Ilan?
9! 5 metallics, 4 na mattes.
Oh, diba naman. Tapos nude, so parang pwedeng everyday.
Yes, ang ganda talaga. Gusto niyo na ba makita? Ito siya.
Aha.
Ayan. Ang ganda niya.
Ang ganda.
Casing pa lang itself, it's cute. And then, yung kanyang colors, talaga namang for every day.
It is vegan and it is cruelty-free. Okay? And ang claims natin ay, nilabas kasi nila to nung October 2018.
Ay, fresh na fresh.
And yung formula nila is no chemical binders. And of course, hypoallergenic. So, pwedeng-pwede for sensitive skin. May special instructions si Krave para gamitin ito.
Yes. So, para daw mas lumitaw yung color or yung pigment, kailangan mong gumamit ng water.
Yes. Sabi nila, i-dip mo lang muna sa water yung brush mo bago mo siya gamitin kung gusto mo ng medyo intense na color. Pero, itatry namin siyang i-swatch with and without water. Okay?
Yes. Pili tayo ng isang nude and then isang metallics. Try natin sa mas maputing skin. Ha! So, yun. Try natin yung violet. And then, try din natin yung pinaka-dark niya. Ito, for the metallics. Yan, talaga pong yung pang-didip ko, hard na hard.
Okay.
Sobrang light niya. Okay, try natin with the water. Like, ilang dips, madam. Charot. Ito pa. Ayan. Ngayon, try naman natin yung metallics, no? So, wala na ulit siyang, water. Ito na yung with water.
Wow. Magkaiba.
Iba yung color. Wow, iba yung color, girl.
Magkaiba yung kulay niya.
First of all, ang wet.
Ang wet ng feeling.
Sobrang wet ng feeling. Okay, so right after namin mag-eyeshadow, tinapos na rin namin yung buong face para ma-conclude na natin tong video na ito. So, nagkaroon lang ako ng konting concern dun sa eyeshadow, no? Yung mattes nila didn't do as well as the metallics, girl.
Oo.
Lapit mo. Diba? Yung metallics, blinding siya. Highlight ko yung metallics nila din. Talaga namang. Ikaw ba, overall, anong masasabi mo kay Krave Minerale?
Overall, Krave Minerale is a local brand and a cruelty-free brand.
And it's really made from the Philippines. I hope you guys like this video.
And kung meron pa kayong gustong local
Brands, products na gusto nyong i-try namin, i-review namin, then please comment down below.
Yes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe in our YouTube channel.
And follow us on our social media accounts. Andiyan lang siya sa screen ninyo.
Thank you guys for watching.
That is all for today and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!